Another day in my life as a personal chef. I start my days off by going to Whole Foods every day. Then I get ready, put my apron on, get ready to work. Today the client requested some sweet potato fries and some burgers and lettuce wraps. We're trying to keep it healthy over here. Another request was Rasta pasta. So this is one of my favorite pastas. It's like a pasta with jerk seasoning, peppers, onions, cream, parmesan, the works. I'm drizzling some avocado oil here to sear off those little burgers. These are like 90-10, so they're pretty lean. So I used oil to sear them off. And then I'm just building them up with some tomatoes, onions, lettuce, plating that with my sweet potato fries. I also make enough for a lunch portion for them for the next day. And here's the Rasta pasta with some blackened chicken. I left early today, so I got home and made burgers for myself with the works, onions, American cheese, let that melt down a little bit. And then I put it on some buns with some mayo, ketchup, and lettuce. That's all I need. I paired it with some chips because these chips are bomb, cracked salt and black pepper. Yum. And my drug of choice, salsa water. I cannot go a day without it. Then I made a tiramisu because my best friend was coming over the next day and I wanted to surprise her with her favorite dessert. It's also my favorite dessert too. Can't get enough of it. And that is all. Bye.